studies which I'll be completing right now from AIFE is all based on managerial subjects now in advanced diploma.
They can make a good friend in this school because they have a variety of nationality.
The computer facilities were marvelous.
So I like this school because the staff or of the trainer is quite helpful to the student. Also that they're quite kind and friendly to the students. So I quite enjoy it. I found this school by my school agent recommendation because they gave me 3 main reasons for this school. Because the first reason is that this school is quite a good location because it's near my house. And the second one is that the school fee is quite reasonable for me compared with the other instruction. The last one is that they provide quite a good curriculum, which is I really need that one. So I choose this school by my school agent.
These facilities, unlikely you won't have it anywhere in other institutes as compared to this institute, that is AIFE. And the faculty members are quite supportive and helpful in nature. So I think this is the best college to study in hospitality management.
AIFE provides a first-class education inside a first-class facility. The students that we tend to get are students that have a higher level education and they want to move into a management area of the hospitality industry.
I really enjoyed studying this school because I learn about the Asian cuisine, especially Indian cuisine. Also, I really enjoy studying with the variety of the students, such as Indian, Brazil, China, something, and Philippines. So it's quite good for me because we can share our cultural experience.
As I'm a chef, so I'm looking forward for good knowledge and improving my skills, which I have come over here, as they are providing us with a certificate 3, which is like totally a practical example for us in the kitchen, and which will like improve us more practically by how to use and all. And as I have done all this, so practically speaking with the students as well as our faculty members, our chefs who were like teaching us, they were like very good in it.
Nowadays I'm working in the Chinese restaurant at the Mr. Point, and then when I worked in restaurant, I can use my knowledge, which is learned from this school. It's quite helpful to me to learn in this school.
I believe being from the industry actually is a bonus because then I can give real life experiences. By doing the practical and theory at AIFE, you're already one step ahead before you actually get the job.
Sydney is a very beautiful place of the world.
Also, the Australian people are so nice.
You have other places also to visit, the Opera House, Circular Quay, and the Harbour Bridge.
If I want to eat the Chinese food, I just go to Chinese restaurant. Also, if I want to eat the Indian food, I just go to Indian restaurant. So it's so lovely, and I can taste the whole of the world. I'm really happy studying this school.
I'm happy to be here.